So I'm having this problem again where my starter ain't working. Have a jumper wire to it. Nothing. Hi, I'm Marcus Schneider and you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we're going to show you how to turn this automatic starter into this manual starter. It's fairly simple, both GM starters. So this is a Rock Auto brand new starter, it's fried. This is a Bosch automatic starter, probably from the 80s I think, because it's got the bolt-ons that bolt on into the block of the engine. These are both GM starters, they're the exact fucking same. All I gotta do is swap the nose cones over. You might have seen me do this in a past video, but I'm gonna be doing it again. But before I do that, I just showed you how to do this. Let's show this. Hopefully this one's working. So I want to make sure this is a working starter before I do it. So there's the grounding bolt. There's that. Positive. Positive. Jumper wire. Oh, yeah, let's not do that. Spark my battery. And all you do it is to the one side of the solenoid. Oh, look at that. That one works. So that's a working starter. This starter does not work. So now let's freaking take these apart and swap the guts again. So this is mostly like for if you find yourself in the spot where I am, where you have a different type of starter and a GM starter and stuff. Like, this is a harder nose cone to get, so I won't ever get rid of this nose cone. But GM starters share the same internals pretty much no matter what. No, solenoid's fried. But that's to be expected. If the solenoid is forcing this into a system that doesn't work, it'll fuck itself. These? Yeah. No, I didn't originally. So that's really all the difference is between GM starters is, look, 3-speed manual starter, automatic 80s and up nose cone. That's a light nose cone. This is cast. This is also cast, but I think this is cast aluminum. This is cast steel. And we put a cast steel one on here. Made by the claws. Yeah, the nose cone is the original nose cone that came with this fucking transmission. But not the original starter, that's for sure. Starter fucking works. Yay. I have a starter with a bad fucking solenoid.
Is the key still rolled forward?
Yeah.
Give it some air. apple.
That's starter. You're a good dog. Well, some starters are just not worth it. This one turns on, but the solenoid here, you can see I can move it. Once it kicks on, it doesn't kick off. So that one's not good. So sometimes it's worth, no matter what you know, whatever you do, it's just worth buying a new starter. And that's just the life of it. But we can test it here. It's touching the body. As you can see, pressing my waist against, touching the body. That one works good. Brand new in the box. So I'll hook that one up. And then we'll get this thing turning over. Ugh. And just like that, YouTube magic gets installed. Oh, crap. This gravel is really digging into my back. Oh. So there you have it. She runs again. Ta-da!